feel like a lady. Hi, grabe, I'm so happy. Hindi pa tapos tong lagay na to, but look at that. Grabe, birthday ko talaga. I love it. Ang saya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Grabe, nagmamahal sa amin. Thank you so much, The Grazing Table by Cadence, for this awesome spread for my birthday. Thank you guys! Love ya! Sabi nila kapag daw birthday mo tapos may pansit, pampahaba ng buhay. Guys, aabot ako ng 250 years old! Oh! Ano sabi mo? Ano nga, Ma'am Daisy?
Ma'am Jan, happy birthday! I pray for good health, more blessings to come in your life.
Thank you. Thank you so much, The Food Market Manila, dito sa napakasasarap na lasagna tray for my birthday. God bless you guys. We are so excited to devour this. Thank you. Ay, hindi ko na nabuksan. Yes! Siyempre, this event will not be possible without our friend Mem right here. Oh my goodness, siya talaga yung lifesaver na. Thank you so much, Madam Chair, sa mga paandar mo po at sa magaganda mong representatives. I love you, Madam. Ganda mag-glow. Okay. I love it! Halo-halo! Guys! Ay, kami halo-halo din. Please! Isang haba ng pila ng movie ko. Ano ka ba? Mag-halo-halo ka doon. Thank you, Rody's Diner, for your awesome halo-halo and wonderful papansit. Grabe, I will never forget this birthday. Ang sarap-sarap ng halo-halo na to. Ang hinihintay natin, dumating. Pinigyan mo muna. Ito na lang, serve na. Oo nga. Tama naman.